Here's how to draw a koala for a card for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or even a new baby. Start by quickly sketching the major shapes. The nice thing about using a pencil for sketching is you can change your mind about the placement of things or the expression of the faces if you'd like. My koala has these cute big eyes with dew spots on the top and the bottom, and I feel that it helps me if I start with my circle and then I just keep going around for my first dew spot. And these are kind of a nice set of eyes to do because if it's not quite perfect, you can always add a little at the edge. The nose of the koala starts like a typical nose, and then because the koala's nose is a tall, soft, inverted triangle, I just added the shape down below. And of course, a sweet smile. You can make your fur as scruffy as you want, but just remember those basic shapes because that koala has those round ears and the round head. I wanted this little baby sleeping sweetly, so I gave it closed eyes, but you could of course give it bright eyes. I was so glad that I drew out the shapes ahead of time because it made it much easier to make those round ears with the saw blade scruff. After showing the inside part of the ears with that D shape, I went down and drew the arms on the big circle down at the bottom. And that way the adult is giving the little baby a really nice hug. After doing some much needed erasing, I did go back and add little circles for the baby's ears because I thought that would look cute. I've done some experimenting with different erasers, and I find that I tend to like the soft white erasers, but there's some other erasers I like too. I'd like to hear if you have a favorite eraser too. I wanted to use two different colors when I colored in my koalas so that the little Joey would really show up in the arms of the adult koala. I chose both a tan and a gray, and it could be switched just as easily. You could of course use any coloring tool. I think this would look really nice with a crayon or a colored pencil, and especially if you went in the direction of the fur. So here's the final card. I made one for my mom for Mother's Day and one for a friend who is having a baby for her shower. I do think it would be great for Father's Day as well, or just for a friend, or for fun. I'm your Doodle Dragon. If you're interested in more ideas for doodles and little drawings for stationery like bujos and cards, or if you just want to see more fun drawings, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.